Hi, boys and girls. I'm still reading The Runaway Tortilla. Ran out of time, so I had to make another video to finish the book. So I'm going to read this page again before I start. Remember, we are comparing and contrasting. In this book, we're just looking at what is different about this book compared to the pickle book. Stop that pickle. Okay, so let me finish reading this book. What will you give me if I do? The tortilla asked. Oh, Senorita Tortilla, Senor Coyote whispered. I know where a great treasure is buried. I will take you there and share it with you if you pull this chapula, chap, chapulin, this wicked grasshopper from my throat. Show me the treasure, the tortilla said. No way, first take out the grasshopper, Senor Coyote replied. The tortilla ran into her Senor Coyote's mouth. She looked around. Where is the grasshopper? I do not see him. Mas hondo, go deeper. The tortilla ran past Senor Coyote's tongue. I still don't see him. Mas hondo, go deeper. The tortilla ran past Senor Coyote's tonsils. She looked down his throat. There is no grasshopper here. I think you are telling lies, Senor Coyote. You always have, and you have very bad breath, Senor Coyote confessed. Oh, have pity on me. I am so hungry. I hope that if I waited long enough with my mouth open, something tasty might run in. And I was right. Oh no, what's gonna happen? Oh, you're right. Snap. Oh, he ate it. That was the end of the tortilla. And this is the end of the story. As for the treasure, it's still waiting for someone to find it. So all that's left is this song. Run as fast as you can. You won't get a bite of me. Doesn't matter what you do. I'll be far ahead of you. I hope you like the end of my story. So let's finish our Venn diagram. Okay, so in the Runaway Tortilla, we knew that it was a tortilla this time, and it was in Texas, and there was a song with this one. They were in the desert, and there were animals instead of food, and there were people, all kinds of people, chasing the tortilla. And what happened that was different from Stop the Pickle? Do you remember? What happened to the pickle at the end of Stop That Pickle? Yeah, he got to run away. What about the tortilla? Did the tortilla get to run away? No. So the coyote ate the tortilla. Okay, so far we have what is special about Stop That Pickle, and then we also have Runaway Tortilla. So let's go back and look at both of our books now. Do you see both of our books? And see what is the same. What is the same? Can you think? Oh, I know. What about the pickle and the tortilla that's the same? Did they come alive? Yeah, they came alive. So let's write that down. So they both came alive. They came alive. And so what else happened? What did they do? Let's see. Oh, he came alive and jumped down, didn't he? What about their tortilla? Let's see. Oh, there it is. Look. They came alive. So we have that one. There's that picture showing that evidence that they both came alive. Look at that. Okay, let's see what else could happen. Oh, yeah, there were things chasing them. Now, they were different kinds of things, but there were still um, items chasing after them. So something was chasing both the characters in the pickle, Stop That Pickle, and the Runaway Tortilla. So chasing was the same. Can you think about what else was the same? Can you think of what else was the same? Let's see. Was there anything else? Oh, they both ran very fast, didn't they? They both ran very fast. Ran very fast. Anything else you can think of about this one? Remember, we're trying to see what is the same for both of them. Now remember, did the pickle get eaten? No. Did the tortilla get eaten? Yes. Is that the same? No, that's not the same. So that would not go in the middle of our section. Did they both have a song? No, they both didn't have a song. They lived in the same areas? No, not really. One was like in the desert and one was like in town, like in a city. I think we've done good. I think we have shown what they both do in the book when we compare them that are the same, that is similar in the same books. So we're looking at two different books and we're looking at things that are different and things that are the same. Well, thank you, boys and girls, for watching my two videos on this book. I hope you enjoy it, and we hope to see you very soon. All right, have a great week. Bye.